Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Happy Saturday. In today's video, we are talking about couponing, clearance shopping in really bad weather. So we are in the teeth of winter. It is like the middle of January. And it's been like green Christmas. Okay, you can leave the house at any time. We had like patches of bad weather in November, but for the most part, all of December was really nice. And then all of a sudden this week, the road started becoming really like muddy, greasy, whatever adjective you'd like to use. And in this sort of weather, not in a month of Sundays, I will leave the house. If my husband's going to drive me, that's one thing, but I will not drive in this anymore. Even if the deal is 90% clearance at Walmart for Christmas stuff or whatever, the quarter sale at the Dollar General, no, I'm not driving in this, especially when it's like the snow squalling elements where you just get snow blindness. You don't know what side of the road that you're on. You can't even open your door because the snow is so high. So Aunt Rach is here to tell you that if there is a deal where it's like, just so fantastic at Walgreens or Rite Aid or whatever the store is, and you are dealing with really bad snow or really bad elements of rain, snow, sleet, whatever it is, stay home, be safe. Every deal in the coupon universe always comes back every 2 to 3 months. And even if you can't get in on the 90% Christmas clearance at Walmart, you know what? We have other stores, Big Lots, Dollar General. As the month marches on, there's other places to shop. You might want to build your stockpile really quick so you're running after every single deal and chasing after it when an influencer says, start the car, run, go, la la la. But I mean, if you cannot because of safety issues, be smart, stay home. And you know what? When the roads are clear and when everything's okay, you'll head out there and get the deals. They always come back, guys. And there's always 100 different ways to find a deal. I would side with caution, then drive in this and risk your safety. When the roads have been clear for months and months and there hasn't been any snow, and the first time you get black ice or like a really bad, like that weird crust of like ice and sleet on the road, people will drive really quickly, and this is where collisions happen. So I would rather stay home. My husband's a much better driver than I, so if it was a Sunday, I would ask him to drive me out to Walgreens, and we would only do the one store, and it'd be like home really quickly. But when this happens, especially like the sleet on the road, I'm not out there shopping, and it's just a personal choice because I don't want something crazy to happen where another car slams into me or I get in an accident just because I'm trying to get tied for $2.99. I can get that another week for $2.99. This is maybe 2 or 3 years ago, but look at this snowdrift. This is like high. Like, look where the door handle is in comparison to that snowdrift, and that was around our entire house. We were stuck in our house for I think like 5 days because of the level of snow. And when the weather is this bad, obviously it's really nice to have a stockpile. So if you run out of dish soap or whatever, you have it in your stockpile. But food as well. One thing that is my guilty pleasure, and a lot of you will disagree with me that this is a waste of money, but I belong to a Costco, like Costco, Sam's Club, and I do buy food, especially in bulk in the early winter because if we got snowed in for 4 or 5 days to ensure that we'd have enough food. And I love freezing food. I have a big freezer and I freeze a lot of stuff. And then just to make sure that, there's enough food in the house because it's really important. And I know that people are like, oh, it's probably a stupid idea to buy this much. But we do eat all of it, and it's just good to have it on hand, especially when you get snowed in for weeks on end. And yeah, this is what we do to prepare in this region. So if you're from like an area like Buffalo, New York, or the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And I can't stress it enough, guys. Coupon deals always come back. So if you want to just take a quick old pass because the roads are really awful, very smart thing to do. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Be safe out there.